Chaos theory isn't just a metaphor, it's real mathematics with real implications. It starts with a meteorologist named Edward Lorenz. Back in the early 1960s, Lorenz was running computer simulations of weather patterns. One day he wanted to rerun a simulation, so he punched in the starting numbers again. But instead of using the full decimal 0.506127, he rounded to 0.506. That difference, that tiny, seemingly meaningless rounding to the fourth decimal place, produced a completely different weather forecast. A change so small you'd normally ignore it produced a totally different outcome. This is what's called sensitive dependence on initial conditions. In everyday language, we call it the butterfly effect. The idea that a butterfly flapping its wings in Brazil could, through a chain of cascading events, contribute to a tornado in Texas. Now here's where it gets interesting for us. If weather systems are this sensitive to tiny changes, what about human systems? What about societies, economies, political movements, individual lives? They're just as sensitive, maybe more so. We live in a complex, interconnected world where tiny events can set off chain reactions that fundamentally alter the future. And we can't predict them. We can't see them coming. We can barely trace them backwards after they happen. That's not a comfortable realization, but it might be one of the most important ones.